This video is about rounding whole numbers. It's part of the whole numbers and integers module. And the first question is, round 45,632 to the nearest hundred. So we need to identify the digit that's in the hundreds place, and that is the 6. Then we need to scrutinise the next place value to the right, which at the moment has a digit 3 in there. So according to our rules, the 6 won't go up to the next value, 7. It will stay there because it's below 5. The 3 is below 5. So our answer is 45,600. Now we're going to use, whenever we use this sort of rounding and we want to show some kind of equal sign, we use a sort of curved or squiggly equal sign, and that means approximately equals to. Okay, the second question, we want to round 45,632 to the nearest 1,000. So at the moment there's a 5 in the thousands place, so we need to scrutinise the next place value to the right. What we're doing here, and it's really a lot easier to see in this example than the previous one, is to the nearest 1,000, is this number closer to 45,000 or is it closer to 46,000? Now, you can probably tell that it's closer to 46,000, but by looking at the next place value to the right, if that digit is 5 or more, then that means that the digit back in the place being considered will go up to the next values. So this will go to 46,000 when it's rounded to the nearest thousands. Question 3, we want to round 45,632 to the most significant digit. That's the one with the highest place value, which is the 4. So we need to scrutinise that 5 pretty closely. So basically we've got to decide, is this number closer to 50,000 or is it closer to 40,000? Because there's a 5 here, the rule is that if in the right hand place value there's a 5 or more, then it rounds up. So that 4 will go up to a 5, and we need to replace all those other digits with zeros. So what we're saying here is that 45,632 is closer to 50,000 than it is to 40,000. Question 4, round 1,675,500 to the nearest 1,000. So this 5 here is in the thousands place value, so we need to scrutinise the digit to the right, and because the digit to the right is a 5, which fits into our category of 5 or more, we will round up. So it will round up to 1,676,000. And question 5, we're going to round 345,750 to the nearest 10,000. We have a 4 in the 10,000s category. We need to scrutinise the 5 that's in the next place value to the right. And because it's a 5, the rule is if it's a 5 or more, we'll round up. So the 4 will round up to 5, so we'll get 350, in other words 350,000.